Namaste to all. I am Adish BC of class 10. I am here with my project entitled The Multipurpose Smart Board, which I have prepared along with my teammate Jnan Andesh of class 10. Our multipurpose smart board has major features such as solar tracker, Wi-Fi control, hole indicator, smart fishing, river cleaner, electricity from non-biodegradable waste which is collected from river cleaner, and emission absorber. It is an amphibious boat which also has temperature indicator. Solar tracker. Solar tracker adjusts the angle of the panel to keep them perpendicular to the sunlight. Device that optimizes the orientation of solar panel to follow the sun. It increases energy efficiency compared to fixed solar panel. This maximizes solar energy usage and provides a cost-effective and sustainable solution for non-renewable source of energy. By using this system, our multi-purpose smart board can be powered up. So, let me show the demo. Now I will show the demo using a light. Now our solar panels are following the direction of the light. So this is a solar tracker. Now let us move towards our next feature, Wi-Fi control. Using Wi-Fi control, the board can be controlled remotely using mobile or computer or Wi-Fi. This provides user-friendly interface and the board can be controlled wirelessly from anywhere. So let me show its demo. I have used a Node MCU and a motor driver by which we can control our boat using a Wi-Fi. We can control our boat using an application called ESP8266 Wi-Fi robot card. We have to connect the module. Now our module is connected. This is the interface of an app. Let me show you how to control this. So, our next feature is hole indicator. Boats are prone to hull damage that can cause leaks and causes destruction. A protective system to detect holes and breaches can prevent disasters. Enhances safety by detecting and alerting boat owners about holes in real time. Boats and ships are vulnerable to hull damage due to collisions, material wear and tear, harsh environmental conditions. But existing detection methods are often manual or not reactive in not real time. So, by using our whole indicator, we have many advantages. Some of the main applications where we can use our whole indicators are: we can use it in a small fishing boats, commercial shipping vessels, recreational boats and yachts, lifeboats and emergency vessels. As our whole indicator is having many advantages, some of them are early detection and prevention, severe damage and sinking, simple and cost effective implementation, reduces manual inspection time and improves overall safety of marine transportation. The whole indicator system is a valuable tool for enhancing marine safety, provides real-time alerts, reducing risks of accidents and financial losses. A practical step, it is a practical step forward, smarter and safer marine technology. Let's show the working of our whole indicator. This is a prototype of whole indicator. Imagine it as a boat and it is a bottom surface of a boat. If there is any minute holes in it, think it as a minute hole and the water goes directly inwards and the circuit will be completed and the buzzer starts beeping and our boat owners can be indicated, by which major accidents can be prevented. Okay, as you have saw the demo, so let us go towards our next feature, the smart fishing. So our next feature is smart fishing. Smart fishing technique leverages advanced technologies and innovative method to improve the efficiency, sustainability and safety of fishing practice. These approaches aims to reduce overfishing, minimize by catch unintended species and protect marine ecosystem. Protects marine ecosystem and maintain fish population and maintain sustainability. Ensures a higher quality catch, by which economy of fishermen can be increased. Reduces overfishing and destruction of other species and also habitats, by which environment can be conserved. These techniques are a part of global shift towards sustainable fisheries and the blue economy, ensuring the long-term health of ocean and communities depending on fishing. Let me show you a video demo of our smart fishing device. Here I have used an inverter system which converts 12-volt battery into high voltage 240 voltage of current. I have made a device which helps me in smart fishing and which helps me in disposing that high voltage current directly to water. When we dispose that current and keep it up for 4 seconds, the fishes will be stunned for 4 to 5 minutes, and then after 4 to 5 minutes they will be alive once again, and in that time interval we can collect those fishes, by which smart fishing can be continued. You can see the fishes are getting alive once again. Essential for ecosystem, agriculture and human life. But river faces severe pollution from plastic, chemical and other materials. Some of the major problems faced by river and while river cleaning are manual cleaning methods are time consuming and labor intensive. Lack of automated solution for large scale river are very hard. So, by using our river cleaner system, we can we can clean the river efficiently and it do not consume much time. So some of the applications of our river cleaner device are cleaning urban rivers and canals, restoring ecosystem in polluted areas, supporting government and NGO cleanup initiatives. The project highlights the potential of combining engineering and environmental science for sustainability, encourages further innovation in water conservation technologies. So this is our river cleaner device which cleans the river very faster and very efficiently in low cost. Let me show its demo. It collects floating waste in the seas and rivers which reduces water pollution. Now, as you have saw the demo of our river cleaner, the waste which are collected from our river cleaner is a big burden for our ship. So, to overcome that problem, we have come up with an idea called electricity generation from non-biodegradable waste which is collected from our river cleaner. Nowadays, one of the growing problem of non-biodegradable waste such as plastic, rubber, etc. needs for sustainable energy solution. Objective of our electric generation from non-biodegradable waste are to explore methods for converting non-biodegradable waste into usable electric energy and to overcome environmental issues such as landfill overflow, pollution and greenhouse effect. This by using our electric generation, major advantages are there for our ship such as environmental benefits such as reduced landfill waste and decreases reliance on fossil fuels, economic benefits such as cost effective energy production, revenue generation from waste management, social benefits such as cleaner environment and job creation in waste management and energy sector. Non-biodegradable waste can be a valuable resource for sustainable energy production. So, let me show the demo of our non-biodegradable waste electric generator. I have connected a solar panel in a series manner and by using a solar panel, the electricity will be generated. And also, to get more electricity, I have used the Peltier modules by which heat energy can be converted into electric energy. Before the demo, let me explain about our next feature, the emission absorber. Rising level of harmful emissions such as carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, etc. in the climate impact on environment, health and climate. So, we have developed a system or device to absorb or reduce harmful emissions. Importance of our emission absorbers. Combating climate change, improving overall public health and industrial relevance and compliance with regulations. This is the emission absorber. This absorber absorbs the harmful gases and disposes it to the algae chamber, where the algae, by the photosynthesis process, it converts carbon gases to oxygen and increases dissolved oxygen in the water, by which the air pollutions can be fixed. So now let me show the demo. I'll show the demo by burning up some of the paper. can hear the voice of the emission absorber. You can see the lights glowing over here. So, our next feature is temperature indicator. What is temperature indicator? A device that detects and displays temperature changes. Some of the applications of our temperature indicator are: it is used in healthcare, food safety, environmental monitoring, etc. By using our temperature indicator, we can prevent major fire accidents. So, when we collect the waste from river cleaner and store it in a container and burn it to produce electricity, the large amount of heat is produced, by which our boat may catch in fire, and also major fire accidents can be faced. So, to prevent that accidents, we have overcome with an device called temperature indicator, which indicates temperature, by which we can take precautions and prevent fire accidents. So, let me show the demo video of it. So, our next feature is amphibious boat, a vehicle capable of operating both on water and land. Combine the functionalities of a boat and a land vehicle. Provide an efficient solution for areas with mixed terrain. It can be used for rescue operations, military use, and recreational activities, ensuring smooth transition between water and land modes. Prioritize efficiency, durability, and safety. Current challenges in mixed terrain mobility and slow rescue operation in floods or coastal areas. Difficulty in navigating wetland and shallow land area. Need for a versatility and cost-effective solution. So, to overcome that, we have made our boat an amphibious boat. Some of the applications of our amphibious features are: it is useful in rescue operations such as flood relief and disaster management, and it is also useful in military uses such as navigating swamps, coastal zones, or battlefields. Recreational activities such as water sports or tourism in amphibious regions. Logistic such as transporting goods in mixed terrain environment. Major advantages of amphibious boats are: saves time in transportation between land and water, enhances accessibility in remote and disaster prone areas. A step forward advanced transportation solution is our amphibious boat. So, let me show its demo. Firstly, we have to lift the river cleaner over here. After lifting the river cleaner using a pulley system, our boat is completely amphibious. Let me show its demo. For our amphibious boat, we have modified special wheels for that. So, by using this wheel, we have welded the metal sheet in this direction so that it throw back the water, and by which our boat can move efficiently in water. And by the help of this rubber covering on our wheel, our boat can move easily on land, by which our boat is completely amphibious and travel both in land as well as water. So, these are the current features in our boat. Some of the future plans for our smart boat are: to make a smart segregation system to separate waste materials collected by the river cleaner, and to make a silt indicator to prevent death of fishermen and peoples caused by silt in the coastal areas, and to make a smart separating system for fishes according to their size and mass, and also to make oil spill indicators. So, from our smart boat, we are going to conclude that it is a highly efficient utilization of solar panel by solar tracking system, and also it prevents uses of fossil fuels which causes high carbon dioxide pollution and air pollution, and also it is highly secure and user friendly by Wi-Fi control and prevents destructions, labor and maintenance costs by using hole indicator, and prevents extinction of aquatic creatures, reduces water pollution, prevents extinction from aquatic creatures by the plan of smart fishing, and also reduces water pollution. Recycling of non-biodegradable waste into energy by electricity from non-biodegradable waste which are collected from the river cleaner, and also prevents air pollution, prevent accident from excess temperature. Totally, it is cost effective, user friendly and multi-purpose smart boat. Thank you.